Welcome back to another video, everyone. Today we're going to be figuring out if fishing after a rainstorm is better than fishing in the blazing hot sun in the middle of summer. Oh, that's a monster. Oh, we got one. Let's go. All right, don't come off. Don't come off. Let's go. There we go. On the white fluke. So glad to catch this fish. I saw the line moving and I knew that was a bite. So I just set the hook. And what do you know? A bass. Look at that beautiful fish. It's been a pretty long time since I've caught one of these, actually. The videos are a bit delayed, but I think the last time I caught a bass was June, in the middle of June. So this is really good to catch. Let's release this guy. Awesome. Let's go. Ooh, just got a bite right there, guys. That was crazy. Probably should have let him eat it for longer. Ooh, a little tiny fish. Probably like a 5-inch bass. Just came and nipped at it. Where's your mom or dad? I want to catch them, not you. That fish was probably like a little bit bigger than the bait, but not by much. There we go. Guys, I thought I felt some weight pulling. Oh no! Well, quick release. Off that fish goes. I thought I felt some weight, but I was waiting. I was very skeptical. Didn't know if I had a fish on or not. And then I finally felt it tug once, and I knew there was one, so I set the hook. And sure enough, there's a fish. I set it a bit too hard, so it went fleeing backwards, but that fish was fine and swam off perfectly, as you guys saw. That's a fish. Oh, he took our worm. That's annoying. Well, missed one. Oh, that's a bite? Yeah, I think he got it. Oh, we missed him. It was a tiny bluegill, though. Oh, got him. That was right at the bank. That was crazy. That was right at the bank, guys. This little guy just decided to have some food, but not food. Fake food. All right, guy. I'll see you later. Release this guy. See ya. That was so cool. That surprised me. He was like right at the bank. Oh, that's a bite. Yep. There we go. We got him. It's actually a decent sized bass. There we go. Actually, a good bass. There you go, guys. Small little bass. It's actually decently sized. Alright, let's release this guy. See ya. Thanks for watching this whole video. Let me know in the comment section down below if you think fishing after rainstorms is better than fishing in the blazing hot sun. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you guys next time.